What?
Then you have to wait until you're like 80 to write the book.
No, I'm gonna write it right now. It's called Kylie and Me. Say today, Kylie is trying out her new gloves and her hat. But your ears are warm, right? Isn't it perfect? No? How am I gonna do it then? Yeah, man. Now my ears are warm. What about your ears?
They're going to say when she walks in the day for you looking like this.
Boy.
Every time she comes in, I call her Miss Diva.
You say peekaboo? Peekaboo! Cheese them. Show them some cheese. There you go. Say cheeses. Give it to him. Give it to him. Huh. Say cheeses. You want to do the cheeses with the monkey on your head? Are you out?
Yeah.
Out. Monkey. See you later. Say bye-bye. Bye.